I finally have all the things that I need now to make my pigtail wedge, the tool that I have for truck drivers to keep the trailer lights from flickering and flashing. You can find this at prodriverproject.com/pigtail. But this is my LNS Technologies Model 150A injection molding machine. I have my mold. Goes in there like that. Make them one at a time. This thing comes out of here like that. Then you come over here and you pull off a piece of paracord. Measure it off 12 inches. Cut it with the hot knife. Melt the ends together with just a little bit. Then you come over here to the crimping machine. Put the metal crimp in. Stamp it down. And we are ready to go. That is my setup here in my garage to make the pigtail wedge. Look forward to serving all of your all's needs. Pigtail wedge at prodriverproject.com/pigtail.